Barbie Fortesa update. Yung post ni Barbie sa kanyang Instagram. Abangan si Barbie sa Blackwater event sa January 25, Sabado, sa SM North EDSA Annex Atrium for Whimsyland, the Magical Product Launch. Kasama niya dyan si Adi. Ito yung video.
Hey BW Women fam, Barbie here, and I'm so excited to personally invite you to something truly special. This Saturday, January 25th at 2 p.m., I'll be performing at the SM North EDSA Annex Atrium. And trust me, it's going to be a day full of magic. Can't wait to see you all there.
Yun o. So ito pa, IG story ni Barbie. Ito yung nagpunta si Barbie sa Greenbelt. And sabi pa nga na nagpa-picture kay Barbie. Nangingitim ka kapag katabi siya. Yung grabe kasi puti ni Barbie. Sabi ni Barbie, lovely to meet you po. Mukhang namili si Barbie ng mga bag. Ayan, social. Ito pa yung IG story ni Barbie. Kasama niya si Rain Matcheso. Ayan, nagpunta sila ng cafe. Yung banding nila. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for my update. This is Richard, the Action Vlog. Stay tuned for my update. See ya.